Cartoon beatbox battles. Cartoon beatbox battles.
SpongeBob first appeared in Mickey Mouse vs. SpongeBob. We don't have a good episode 1 appearance, so we are skipping over that. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is episode 1 of me ranking every single cartoon beatbox battle solo. I would say that SpongeBob is a pretty great competitor when it comes to cartoon beatbox battles. But let's get into SpongeBob's solos in 3, 2, 1, go!
F is for fire that I'm gonna burn with. U is for you're going down. N is for nobody can take me out when I bring my beatbox sound. Yeah.
SpongeBob 1 really does show its age, but I would still say it's kind of okay. His parody on the Fun song is kind of generic and not really brings any good roasts, but it does bring the design up and is pretty cool anyways. I was tempted to put the solo higher, but it's about a D tier, but a high D tier.
I'm ready. Mickey Mouse, eat some cheese.
Ooh, and that's time! Alright, we have our cartoon beatbox battle for today.
I'm ready.
SpongeBob 2 shows SpongeBob's at his best when it comes to beatboxing and roasting. His parody of I'm a Goofy Goober is amazing sounding and doesn't have a single dull moment, especially with Doodle Bob assisting him in the end of it.
Spell his name. D-E-A-D-P-O-O-B.
Even if he does have some weak lines like the Dead Poop one, the rest of his roasts are amazing and really bump it up a lot. Not to mention SpongeBob making fun of Deadpool's favorite food and comparing him to other heroes, saying that he is pathetic against them. Including the animation, enhancing all of the references and roasts. SpongeBob 2 is a 21 out of 30 and a low A.
Whoa, I wasn't expecting Doodle Bob to show up.
You don't wanna mess with me, you stupid Sonic Hedgehog.
SpongeBob 3 is pretty great. I honestly used to hate this for some reason. I would say that overall the worst part of SpongeBob 3 are the roasts, but they still aren't really that bad. The Sonic Hedgehog pun is, I don't even know what it means, really, so I don't really like that. But everything else is pretty good, I would say. SpongeBob basically just says that Sonic is an idiot, and the design or animation just shows a compilation of him just kind of being an idiot as well, which really improves the design and roasts as well.
This is SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm ready.
I would say that the sound effects are used pretty well, and the beatboxing sounds pretty good. He also kinda just gloats about himself as well, but honestly, he does it way better than most others because while doing it, he shows his abilities and he also sounds actually pretty good doing it. Going back to the roasts and design, basically SpongeBob is just saying that Sonic's life is worthless and that his movie is a copy of Lilo and Stitch. Overall, I would say SpongeBob 3 is a good ending to SpongeBob's career and is about a high B tier.
Wet hog.
Ha! You would think someone as fast as Sonic would be able to dodge some of that stuff, but hey, I guess even mutated blue hedgehogs get distracted.
And those were all of SpongeBob's solos ranked. SpongeBob overall has 1 D tier, 1 B tier, and 1 A tier, each of them being a 13.5, a 19, and a 21 respectively. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next episode.